ఉస్మానియా యూనివర్సిటీ జర్నలిజం విద్యార్థులు 5వ అల్యూమ్ని ఈరోజు దక్కన్ క్లబ్లో జరిపారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో ప్రొఫెసర్లు, వివిధ రకాల విద్యార్థులు, వివిధ రకాల సంస్థల్లో పనిచేస్తున్నటువంటి ఎడిటర్స్ అందరూ కూడా హాజరయ్యారు. చాలా చక్కగా తమ అనుభవాలను ఇలా ప్రతి సంవత్సరం కలుసుకోవడం వల్ల ఒక జర్నలిజం ప్రొఫెషన్ చేస్తున్న వాళ్ళు ఎలా ఉన్నారు, ఏంటి, ఎటువంటి కార్యక్రమాలు చేయాలి అనే విధంగా ఉపోద్ఘాతాలు ఇచ్చారు. సీనియర్ జర్నలిస్టు రవీంద్రనాథ్ అతన్ని సన్మానించారు. రకాల ఊదల్లో పనిచేసే వారిని కూడా పలకరించుకుంటూ తమ జర్నలిజం తల్లి లాంటిదని, తల్లి లాంటి ఒడిలోకి అందరం చేరుకున్నామని, ఇందులో ఎవరు ఫీల్ కావడం కానీ ఇలాంటివి చేయకూడదని జర్నలిజం ఇలా సేవ కార్యక్రమంలో పాల్గొన్న జర్నలిస్టులు, ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో పాల్గొన్న ప్రొఫెసర్లు తమ అనుభవాలను వివరించి తమకున్నటువంటి ఆత్మీయ బంధాలను గుర్తు చేసుకున్నారు. కార్యక్రమానికి హాజరైన ప్రొఫెసర్లు, విద్యార్థులు ఒకరినొకరు ఆత్మీయ బంధంతో పలకరింపులు చేసుకుంటూ ఎంతో హుందాగా వ్యవహరించారు. తమ యొక్క వృత్తి నైపుణ్యాలను ఎక్కడ ఏ విధంగా చేసుకోవాలి, ఎక్కడ ఏ విధంగా మెసులుకోవాలి అనే విధానాలను కూడా చాలా వరకు చర్చించుకుని క్రమంలో ఏ విధంగా చేయాలనే దాన్ని కూడా ప్రత్యేకంగా మాట్లాడుకోవడం జరిగింది.
The Group 2 exam recently. The Group 2 exam, there are the question relating to who was the person who accompanied, went to the Wall Street journalist to write a story on Telangana at that time. I was one of them as part of that group. Well, in addition to teaching, Padmaja is here. We have been activists, we have been working for several kinds of causes and several kinds of issues. Well, to look at the history of the department, in 1954 there was a Vice Chancellor by name D.S. Reddy. D.S. Reddy brought in, he was the Vice Chancellor for 13 years of Uspania University. He brought in people from all over the world. That is why Uspania University is Uspania University. In 1947, when we got freedom, there were already 10 universities in India. Uspania is one of them. And journalism department was established in 1954. It has got over 70 years of history. We had best teachers. Of course, the best students were there. And they are working, as I've said, in several kinds of fields. At one point of time, we had 15 teachers, and this was the only department which had a special assistance program. Padmaja was very, very closely associated with me for 20 years, and we got a lot of funding from the University Grants Commission. Both of us worked together to build up the department in terms of getting equipment. Later, of course, younger people like Stevenson and many others, really given a lot of boost to the department in terms of academic activity. I only hope the department gains back its image, for which of course we need to have faculty, best of the faculty. We need to get resources, we need to have infrastructure so that we can revive. Otherwise, any kind of a field, you find journalism, print media, social media, digital media, advertising. Jaffrey is here. He was the senior most MMC, and there are several people who got into parliament, several people who got into film industry. So I'm happy. I'm coming here after a very long time. I didn't attend the other meetings held last 3 or 4 years. So what do I say? I wish all of you all the best. Let's hope all of us work together to revive the image of the department so that it becomes the best department in the country in the next 5 or 10 years. That's the vision I have. So all of us work together. I'm sure it is possible. Very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Professor PLB. It's good to get back. I was a student way back before most of you were born here, I think. I was in the department between 74, 75. I was a teacher. And then later, after a couple of years, I came back to teach the students. And well, it's been a huge, huge experience. And I must tell you guys, that, you know, what I would like to mention is not so much as journalism, reporting, writing, vagara vagara, but basically about how we have evolved as men and women in the department. And I hope we have been better people, but there is something which I keep talking about. Ramakant was Ramakant ippude, when we came in, we were the first to come, right? Ramakant? We were first to come in, and he tells one of the girls who was writing down names, he says, right now, who's come? Professor P.L. Vishweshwar Rao. Then pakkake unna. He doesn't talk about me. He talks about P.L. Vishweshwar Rao. That name antamu? Aya? ఎంత అన్యాయం కదా చాలా చాలా తప్పు. అచీవ్మెంట్లు నాకు వద్దు, ఏమొద్దు. ఊరంతా పోయి నువ్వు దునియాతో వచ్చిండ్రు, ఏమేమో చేస్తున్నారు, పుస్తకాలు రాస్తున్నారు, పబ్లిష్ చేస్తున్నారు, జనరల్ డైరెక్టర్ జనరల్ అయిపోతున్నారు. And then the other day I came to know that Stevenson and who else? I think another of your friends, Shivshankara, one of those, Sati Reddy, one of your friends, your batch friends, they retired and so what? You put a lot of retire ho gaye. I still remember there's a hotel hoga, but it's a fact. And see, the problem is here. నాకు వద్దు నాయన, అదే చెప్పబోతున్నా. నేను చేంజ్ కాలేదు, నేను ఏజ్ కాలేదు, ఈ పోరగాళ్ళు అందరూ అయ్యారు.
I enjoyed those days because they were wonderful professors. At that time, our professor was Professor Malhan from Delhi, and the kind of classroom environment that we had was completely free. You could talk whatever, you could argue, you can challenge. You know, it was highly entertaining many times. Very intelligent conversation used to happen in classrooms. So we came through that kind of an environment. Before that, Bashiruddin Sahab already established that tradition of free this thing. Students and the professor used to exchange cigarettes in class. They used to call for tea in the class. We could sit and sip tea and do the lectures. So it was that kind of department, very different from other departments in the university, in the rest of the arts college. We were kind of a curiosity. All the other departments, students used to say, "Arey, aapka to department alag hai." And I think that's what made many people in the department such dynamic journalists. Because you have to be an iconoclast and a person who questions, who is slightly irreverent but not disrespectful. You know, there is a sense of how to see society that comes out of all that freedom. And I think that kind of grounded us. And anybody, even from the remotest rural area, if they came into the department, they would kind of, by the time they finished those 2 years, BCJ, MCJ, they would be transformed people. People who would be confident, who would be different, and you know, it made a big difference. Just the environment. And Rahim Sahib used to say, झाड़ के नीचे चाय पिए तो वहीं पर ज़्यादा teaching होती है. So we had this canteen, and under the tree sessions also it used to be very highly interactive and equality. All of us call in today all our professors by first name. Bashir would treat us very well. We used to have fun with them, and it was an environment of such psychological freedom. I think that makes for good journalism. I think that laid the foundation for the kind of department it is, and we should be grateful for what they did for us. At least I was. When I went to study in Michigan, in the communication department there, I was a little apprehensive because I, Usmania से थोड़ा ऐसे ही लगता है ना. So when I joined the MA program, there were prescribed courses like research methodology, communication theory, these things. So they told me initially, it's a prerequisite, you have to redo those courses. But my postgraduate advisor told me, if you want to try, you can do an exam without the course. If you qualify, you can stick them. And I did the course, I did the exams, and I was exempted from those courses. That time, I was grateful for the lovely teachers who taught us so well. We are global standard, no problem. That's when I really realized the value of the department, how well they taught us and how well they guided us. And of course, as someone remembered, Mohan Raj also, wonderful teacher for writing. So I'm really grateful for what the department has done for me as a person. Thanks a lot for giving me.
The reunion takes place, you all kind, अरे मेरा बैचमेट है, ये मेरा बैचमेट, चलो फोटोग्राफ लेंगे. Unfortunately, मेरे साथ कोई भी नहीं है. मेरे बैचमेट कोई भी नहीं थे. I joined journalism, by accident, to be very honest. As Vishweshwar has pointed out, at that time the VC was Dr. D.S. Reddy, Vice Chancellor. I was doing my diploma in French, in the university at that time, for passion's sake. Then, when he increased the memorandum fee from 2 rupees to 5 rupees, all the students went on strike. Then there was Lati charge and all, and I also participated in the strike. Then, 2 persons came over there and, they were given lot of respect. Then I asked, some of them, ये तो कौन है इतना respect दे रहे हैं? They are reporters, we have to say something. And I said, how to become a reporter? Join journalism. So I joined BJ department. The first thing, when I joined, my head of the department was Professor Govindaraj, S.A. Govindaraj. When I entered the classroom, he said, young man, why are you joining, BJ? Those days it was only BJ, Bachelor of Journalism, not BCJ. So I said, sir, I'm interested, to become a reporter and all. Do you know, draw? And those days, what salaries, those were different days. But I've seen many people, many youngsters, who were from the department, who later joined my team in Deccan Chronicle. And they're all, Ramakant is there. So, a lot of people were there inside. But one thing I'll tell you, journalism department has given, some, when we think about that department, we feel so proud. Those days it was only in the first floor, not in the ground floor dungeon, nowadays so niche London है ना, और Hizbullah का वो ये दिखता है, garden दिखता, ऐसा नहीं है. Those days, it was on the first floor. Ground floor there is actually only typewriters, and we are supposed to learn typing at that time. And those days the typewriters were World War II का, World War I का typewriters. They were not modern typewriters. So we learned, those things. Department is so good. One small instance I will tell you. Those days, students used to join journalism, or for that matter, don't misunderstand me, law. वो दूसरा इसमें, if you don't get, admission, चलो law में तो भी join हो जाओ, या तो BJ में तो भी. BJ, why they used to join is, we are taking free ride, trip to Delhi and Bombay. For that reason, many of them, joined, BJ. So I am not like that. Of course, I had some interest over there. Then after completing that, still, we were so attached to the department. I used to come regularly to the department. So Professor Govindaraj called me and said, "What the hell?" I said, "You are, loitering in the corridor. Don't do that." Then I suddenly remembered. When I was a student, I was made one of the editors for Usmania Courier. I forgot about all those things, and then the professor came and said, "You are supposed to be the editor, write one editorial." it has to go. Immediately I wrote, kya likhna, kya likhna, kya likhna. Then there used to be, our canteen used to be on the first floor, where, you know, all our students used to go and smoke. So I said, likhna bolo to authorita. How the students, you know, disturb, you know, others. So that was published as editorial, and, you know, it was published. And some of the student leaders, including Mr. Pulla Reddy, who's husband of our Professor Usha Reddy. अरे क्या रे तू हमारे साथ सिगरेट पी के तू हमारे कॉरिडोर में लॉइटरिंग बोल के लिखता and they used to threaten me. So those were the funny days, you know, we had. And now I am very happy that many of you guys, that department where I studied, when I studied, and the present day department, very, very best. And you must be all very proud. हमारे वैसे हमारे पास माल नहीं था, अब लोगों के पास अच्छा पैसा आ रहा है. You are doing a good job, and many youngsters I feel very proud. In my tenure in Deccan Chronicle, as well as, you know, now I'm writing wherever I'm writing, I feel that youngsters are doing a wonderful job. Particularly, girls are, you know, doing a wonderful job, particularly anchoring. And now you, and today also I have been watching that, you know, Akhileshwari madam, though she was holding the fort. Woman power kya hai aap bata diye. So anyhow, I'm very happy, and there are a lot of memories are there, but time is already over. A lot of people are waiting here. Kare jaldi band karo. Apan khane ka hai, peene ka hai. Thank you very much. And I am telling you, this is the 5th reunion that we are having. Earlier 4 reunions also we had here only. First reunion, you know, we had in Press Club. Then I don't know, second reunion, you know, we started here. And surprisingly, all the students and all ex-students and all, they said, "Nahi reunion bolo to Deccan Club mein hona." At that time, I was the president and secretary. A club atmosphere plus, you know, gathering like this, they all like. So this is continuing. Let us hope that 6th reunion also will be here next year.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Christopher Madhavan, and I was 84-85 batch as a student. And when I walked in, I get to see first Padma. And you know, she said, "You're the most absentee student." I know. But I'm saying, yes, I was the most absentee student. In those days, we used to do like 2-3 courses at a time, consecutive. So, I'm really, really very happy to be here. In 1986, my dad died. He was a judicial officer. He was 50 years old, and things were not working good for me. I entered campus in 1982 and joined in law. And I was doing law, and at the same time, in those days, this journalism department used to be top-notch department. Everybody used to talk about, wow, journalism department. Why? Because a lot of nice-looking girls. And sorry. So, nahi, apna bad luck hai. Bad luck. Nahi. In law, when I was studying, beautiful-looking girl, 30 people. We came to, I joined, I left journalism, sorry. I discontinued law and came here. Only 3 girls. But I had a great... Oh, really? But it's a great, the way I am molded, what I am today, you know, I should give, I should be always grateful to the department. And what I liked about the department, it is such a openness, and people used to smoke, and people used to sit as they like, and it gave me courage. And I attended very few classes, but whenever I attended, I learned something. And my फूल खुशबूदार नहीं होते, हर पत्थर चमकदार नहीं होते, हर फैकल्टी जर्नलिज्म जैसा इंटेलेक्ट एंड दिलदार नहीं होते.
I am very delighted to see a lot of very young faces and also a lot of my seniors, very energetic, who have a lot of very interesting tales to share. You know, my joining journalism was in 1981-82. I just start with Professor Bashiruddin because Bashiruddin, taught us 3 different fields which at that time were popular: journalism, public relations, and advertising. Now, he was a good public relations person. He was, also the advertising club president of Hyderabad and a journalist. Now, in my experience, I always saw Professor afternoon to the department. Like, we started very late this evening in the typical Hyderabadi style. He used to come late in the afternoon. And then he had a very open door policy. His class was, you could come and go. And then he would also, say, Ravi Kumar to Bashiruddin, he did say, "Arey, kya hai bhai, aapka conclusion acha nahi dekh raha, hamara university ka policy, how can you oppose?" Then we said, this is the truth. So we published a editorial saying that the majority of the students did not approve of the university guidelines of 75%. That is what Professor Bashiruddin taught us about being strong and holding our views. Even today, I think many of us sometimes feel we are not able to, but that is one great characteristic that the university had. The second thing, what I said about the students, I also attended a interview in NIN. National Institute of Nutrition, immediately after my journalism things, and he was sitting in the jury or interviewing me. I thought my job gap because what we wrote, but he was such a great I got a job. But anyway, I did not join. By then I was also getting into PTI. So in a way, the university had such a wonderful environment, good professors. And then I say today, Professor T.L. Visweshwar Rao, he was my guide in MCJ, and very interestingly, my external guide was Professor Mohan Raj, and Mohan Raj was in ICRISAT, and I should tell you just very interestingly, Mohan Raj grilled me and Visweshwar Rao for 1.5 hours for that entire PhD, that thesis for masters. I thought he would not give me good marks, but he gave me excellent marks at the end. Then I found later that we had done a story on ICRISAT at the time where he was working, but he was very meticulous in assessing, and even today I really give him a lot of credit because, and incidentally, he is responsible for the controversy regarding Modi's degree, MA in complete political science and all that. So then also the case on Lal Bahadur Shastri.
Now, this learning I carried with me to Delhi in '92, and I came back to Hyderabad to cover a cricket match. Because I've been in sport, I must be one of the handful of alumni who's doing sports journalism, who's continuing to do sports journalism. One of my seniors, Abhijit Sengupta, one of my younger colleagues, Moses, who's not here. इतना बोला है आया नहीं Moses. I mean, पार्टी के लिए तैयार है लेकिन Moses आया नहीं है. But to get back to what I wanted to tell you, I met Sachin Tendulkar here at the Fateh Maidan, and he had scored 5 centuries, and everybody knows that he scored 100 when he retired. Now, I asked him one question. He gave me 15 minutes time to interview him, and I asked him, my 4th or 5th question was, when you score 100, what is the thought uppermost in your mind? And for 3 minutes, he was silent. I could hear the sound of the ball hitting the bat. I could hear a fielder's appeal. I could hear the small crowd applaud what was happening on the field. I couldn't see because I was sitting in the corridor in Fateh Maidan. I couldn't see the action, but I could hear some action. So,
didn't expect this. It was a last minute invitation and I could not decline it. But seriously, we'd like to do one thing, especially, and this comes from deep within our hearts. అనబడుతుంది ఇప్పుడే కదా వచ్చి సోమశేఖర్ మాట్లాడుతుంటే ఏమని లేదు వాళ్ళు మాట్లాడుతుంటే ఏమని లేదు. We will just take 1 minute. I'd like to invite Sai Shekhar, my friend and erstwhile colleague. He's from the 1994, 95 and 96 batch. We would like to honor MP Rabindranath, our chief for and if you remember, on an earlier occasion, I had given Rabinder an award, a Lifetime Achievement Award, which I instituted in my name, Chilpuri Sushil Rao Award. During COVID, we did not have a get-together, but I got Dasu Kesha Rao to come to Press Club. Jaffrey sir, also online, but he wanted to, much as I do not like this, but this has to be done. He wants to give a book to Ramakant also.
Me into talking about the history of the department, giving me 24-hour notice. There are a lot of people in this room who have spent so much of time in the department as faculty members who probably know a lot more about the department than I do. I left the department about 30 years ago, and so there's much that happened since then, and there's quite a bit that happened before that. This is just like one sheet. I mean, this is all you can find about the written documentation of the department. Actually, when you start looking for something, there is not that much available. There are a lot of oral histories, but written documented history is very little. I mean, everybody knows by now that this is the 70th year of the department. So 1954 was when things started. We were not the very first institute to do journalism. Nagpur Heslop College by 1952 already was offering some journalism program, and I couldn't find how and why, but there was this American guy, Forrest Odell, who got his MA from Columbia in 1922 and a PhD also from Columbia in 1935, who worked for Associated Press for a long time.
PhD scholars, my name is Shiva. Okay, as a mark of respect, I request all of you